Hi everyone, this is Bob from Return Machinery. This is our CNC tube color drilling machine. And this one we will coming to deliver to Europe. And this one we are coming to deliver to Saudi Arabia. The machine, you will see, can be equipped with different TDU size. In my hand, it's the smallest size of TDU. It's for 7.94 millimeter, and this one is for the maximum TDU size, which is 54 size millimeter. And this machine, the maximum tube processing size is 110 millimeter out diameter, and this one is 54 out diameter. So different tube size can be using in one machine. We can change the tooling, clamp tooling. And this is the back side clamp tooling. This one we designed with the maximum tube out diameter is 110 millimeter. You will see it's the big one. But this one, the maximum size is 54. It looks a little bit smaller. This one. So change this clamper die and change this TDUs. Different hole size need to change a different TDU head. This one, it's TDU head.